Bees, I'm your love, Srishti Datta, and today I'm spilling the tea on my absolute favorite skincare essentials that brings the drama to my daily routine. These products aren't just skincares, they are game changers. And no, this video is not sponsored in any way. So let's kick things off with cleanser because clean skin is always in. It removes makeup, sunscreen, super matte lipsticks. Plus, it has the power of 2% niacinamide, is gentle on the skin, and it doesn't sting or blur the eye. It has my heart, like really. To be honest, it deserves way more popularity. Next up, we have Dot and Key. Okay, so the reason why I love this product is because of the ingredients. It has 5 ceramides, it has rice water, hyaluronic acid, like all the hydrating and moisturizing factors that you want in a skincare products. It has all of them. When your skin feels dull, dehydrated, and a little bit dry, and you want that glow and radiance back. So whenever I feel that way, that my skin is becoming, losing its skin barrier, the skin health is becoming very bad, that's when I use this face wash. As it doesn't make my skin feel squeaky clean. Instead, it adds a instant radiance and glow to my skin, and after a single use, my skin feels so soft and glowing and brighter. That's why I love it. Like, it does its work in a single use. Next up, we have 1% kojic acid face wash from the Derma Co. Okay, so I don't have the product with me right now, but let me explain you why I love it. So most of you know that I have acne prone skin, and that's why I break out a lot. And after every breakout, I'm left with some acne marks. I make sure not to touch or pop my acne when I have them. That's why I'm left only with acne marks and not acne scars. There is a lot difference between acne scars and acne marks. Okay, acne scars are deep, while acne marks are only on the dark spots on the surface of the skin. So whenever I have that, I use this 1% kojic acid face wash. The kojic acid helps to remove the pigmentation and dark spots from the skin, and I think it works like wonder to my skin. I don't know about anyone else, but it does wonder to my skin, and I am absolutely in love with it. Like, whenever I have the breakout, I come out with the kojic acid one. And most importantly, like a little bit of the product, like the tiniest bit of the product is enough to cleanse your whole face. Moving on to toner, because hydration is the key to healthy glowing skin. I love it because how it gives the skin an instant glow. Like, let me show you guys. First, you need to shake and then split. Next up, we have Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum from the Derma Co. I can't explain how much I love it. Like, how much I love it. So it has got snail mucin, it has peptide, it has niacinamide. Like, what else can you ask for hydration? It's so good. I can't explain to you how much good it is. Like, I have finished total of 2 bottles of it, and this is my the current one I'm using. This is almost finished, and this one is a new one. Like, you can imagine how much I love it. Your skincare products penetrate deeply into your skin if your skin is hydrated. So what I do is, after cleansing my face, I use it to damp my skin. Like, have a damp layer for my other skincare products to penetrate deep into my skin, and it does its work so amazingly. I can't explain to you. Next, onto the serum, because this babes brings the drama to my skincare game. The Garnier Bright Complete 30% Vitamin C Serum. First, I started using it as a challenge. Okay, I remember I had a really bad acne breakout. I wanted to get rid of my acne scars very fast, and also it was a good time to test if it actually works. So I tested it, and it did actually work. Like, it got rid of those acne marks and dark spots like super fast. So now whenever I have acne breakout, after I am left with only dark spots and acne marks, I use this to get rid of them. Next, we have Pond's Pride Beauty 12% Glutathione Serum. So this one works similarly as this one. It also removes pigmentation, dark spots like super fast. But the only difference is it has vitamin C, while this one has glutathione and niacinamide. There are certain ingredients that you cannot use with vitamin C. In that case, whenever I'm using those products, so I may go with the niacinamide one. Since it has glutathione, it removes the pigmentation super fast, while the niacinamide, it also removes the acne marks, dark spots very fast. I love it. I love both of them. Next up, we have 10% niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. Who doesn't love it? Like, you can ask anyone and they will say they love it. Okay, so we use serum to tackle some kind of skin issues in the first place, like for pigmentation, for acne, for wrinkles, for dark spots, any kind of skin issues we use serum for. Now there are sometimes when you have clear healthy skin, like you want to maintain that radiant glow throughout without incorporating any kind of serums or product that can trigger your face and cause some skin issues. So at that time, I use this serum. Niacinamide is like an all-rounder for our skin. It tackles acne scars, acne marks, dark spots, pigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines, like everything. And their formula, The Ordinary's formula, is so good that I can't explain to you. I can't say that it works super fast, but I can say that the formula is like they won't trigger or cause any more breakout, and you can use it with any kind of skincare products you are using, like the sunscreen you are using or the face wash. It will be compatible with anything you are using. So yeah, that's why I love it. Now for the moisturizer. There are 3 things that I absolutely look into my moisturizer, and you should do it. First, it should be non-comedogenic. Second, it should be super hydrating. And third, it should have brightening ingredients. So first we have Kesar and Kojic Acid Oil-Free Moisturizer from Dr. Sheth's. So it has Kesar extract, kojic acid and alpha-arbutin, all brightening properties. It's a perfect moisturizer for someone who is suffering from pigmentation or dark spots or hyperpigmentation, since it is oil-free and it has brightening properties like a lot. Next up, we have this moisturizer from the Dot & Key. It has ceramide, hyaluronic acid and rice water. Like ceramide is for deep moisturization, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and rice water is for brightening up your skin tone. I like to use it in my night skincare routine. Like I want that deep hydration and soothing effect when my skin is in repair mode. Lastly, this 5% propylene oil-free moisturizer from the Derma Co. It has 5% propylene, hyaluronic acid and ceramide complex. It doesn't have any brightening ingredient though, but it has got 5% propylene. Can you imagine how good that is? You must have heard about Emollient cream, right? So that's for dry skin people, and this one has 5 times more propylene than Emollient cream, and it's oil free. So it's a perfect moisturizer for oily and acne-prone skin type people. You're getting 3 most hydrating and moisturizing ingredients in one product: ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and propylene. What else do you want from a moisturizer? Lastly, let's talk sunscreen, because protection is always in style. So let's begin with this Plum 2% niacinamide rice water sunscreen. This sunscreen has rice water that brightens and hydrates the skin, 2% niacinamide that reduces dark spots, blemishes, pigmentation, and SPF 50 PA3+ that gives our skin super protection against sun's harmful UV rays. And whenever you apply this sunscreen, it makes the skin a little bit brighter. It's not because of the white cast, no, but the skin becomes a little bit brighter and radiant. Next we have this Birch Tree moisturizing sunscreen from Down Lab. Since it has Birch Tree sap infused in it, that's why it's the most moisturizing sunscreen in the world. Plus, it also gives super protection with its SPF 50 and PA4+. And lastly, we have 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel from the Derma Co. Okay, so I have completely forgot from how long I have been using it product. It's definitely more than 2 years that I've been using it and recommending you to use it too. It has SPF 50 PA4+, that is a good amount of protection. Plus, it gives broad spectrum protection and blue light protection. It has hyaluronic acid, it's fragrance free, has vitamin E, like super hydrating and protective. So yeah, I love it. Plus the texture of it is awesome. It melts onto the skin like butter, and it doesn't give any kind of white cast. So that's why I love it. So this is it for all my skincare favorites. I have shared with you each and every detail of the products I love. I have noticed it myself right now that how much I am into hydration. I guess that's a good thing. Always remember that you must focus on having a healthy and strong skin barrier. That way, any kind of product will be working amazing on your skin. If you have any doubt or question, let me know in the comment section and subscribe my channel so that we can meet again. Bye bye.